Ash versus Serena Pokemon battle. Ash have multiple Pokemon like Pikachu, Greninja, Godra, Sceptile, Halucha or Noivern. One team is Delphox, Meowstic, Altaria, Absol, Vaporeons, Florges. So let's see Pokemon battle with insane powerful Pokemons. Let's see. So first of all, Ash use Greninja and Serena choose Meowstic. Okay, so Greninja use Night Slash attack. Okay, so he's a very powerful attack and Meowstic use Energy Ball. He's a very powerful attack. Greninja, you can do it. One more attack. Okay, let's go. Night Slash again. Okay, yes. Defeat one Pokemon. Okay, so next one is Serena Pokemons. Let's go. So Serena choose Florges is grass type Pokemon. Let's go. Greninja use again Night Slash, but you can do it. Powerful attack in another time. Okay. Oh shit. What happened? Damn, he's a very powerful Pokemon. I choose Sceptile. Grass type versus grass type. Sceptile use powerful attack and defeat them. Let's go. Hyper Beam is very effective. Florges have low HP. Please, you can do it. Sceptile one more attack and he defeated. Let's go. Oh shit. He's also attack Hyper Beam. Let's go. Sceptile use Hyper Beam again and defeat them. Let's go. Damn, crazy. Let's go. 2 point is here. Let's go. Serena, what you choose? Okay. Okay. Altaria. Okay, let's go. Sceptile use powerful attack or its call is powerful. Okay, let's go. What? Flamethrower. Sceptile use powerful attack and he also use fire type attack. Use double edge. Let's go. Okay. It's okay, but he's a very less powerful attack. Okay. Sceptile use powerful attack again. Hyper Beam use Grow. Let's see. Damn crazy. Sceptile wait. Shit. Damn. Okay, come again. Let's go. Goes Halucha. Okay, Ash use Halucha. Halucha high jump kick. Let's go. Damn. Okay. Good. Halucha once again. One more time use again and he always defeated. Let's go. Use Halucha again. Okay, let's go. What? So damn, very insane battle. Guys, how much you love this battle? Okay, comment down now. Vaporeon is very powerful Pokemon. So Halucha use powerful attack. Oh shit. He also defeated. Okay, it's okay. Next. Go Norvan. Okay, so Norvan use powerful
Win the
attack
match.
and let's go. Use powerful attack. Let's go. Crazy. Shit. So guys, enjoy the battle. Okay, Godra use powerful attack and defeat only one time more. Okay, let's go. Draco Meteor is very powerful and Godra is win. Let's go. Serena use different Pokemon. Okay, Delphox nice. Godra use again Draco Meteor. Okay, use it. Oh shit, Heat Wave. It's okay. Let's go. Oh shit, is a very less damage. What? This is a very strong attack, but why very low HP loss? Okay, Godra use different type Pokemon and you show your power. Okay, let's go. What? Heat Wave is very powerful. Let's go. Okay, always you use Draco Meteor because Draco Meteor is effective. Let's go. Oh shit, Flare Blades. Okay, again Godra use powerful attack and stop. Okay, let's go. Pikachu, you go because he's away. What? Only one hit and my Pikachu is defeated. What? Godra, please. You are only one person who winning the match. Let's go. Godra, use powerful attack. Hit wave very powerful. Okay, Godra, please. You can do it. You can do it. Godra, you can do it. Use powerful again. Use Draco Meteor. Use. Okay, let's go. Oh shit. Only 2 HP. Let's go. Godra, once again, please. Once again. Use powerful attack and defeat them. Then one last Pokemon. Okay. Shit. Heat wave very powerful. Let's go. Okay, good. Only one Pokemon. Okay, Serena last Pokemon is come last Pokemon. Okay, let's go. Absol. Okay. Godra, please use powerful attack like Dark Pulse. Let's go. Use it. Okay. Use Crow. Okay, let's go. Absol. Shit. Oh shit. Shadow Ball. Shit. Godra, please use Focus Punch attack, please. Oh shit, yaar. Damn. Dragon Claw. Okay. Use Godra. Draco Meteor. Let's go. Okay. Once again, please. Oh shit, Shadow Ball. Oh shit, wait. Gosh. Godra, you can do it. Once again. Let's go. Crazy. Yes. Ash win the match. Guys, thank you for watching.